Hello, culinary enthusiasts. Today, we are elevating your home-cooked dinner to gourmet status with our sesame lamb chops. These chops are a symphony of flavors, with a perfect blend of sesame, herbs, and succulent lamb. I am your quirky quest, and I'm excited to guide you through this gourmet feast in the comfort of your kitchen. Before we dive into gourmet goodness, let's gather our ingredients. 1 pound, 450 grams, lamb chops, single bone. A drizzle or 2 of olive oil. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Half a teaspoon coriander powder. Half a teaspoon salt. To make sauce mix. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 2 tablespoons water. 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. 1 teaspoon ginger, chopped. 1 teaspoon garlic, chopped. 3 tablespoons brown sugar. 1/2 tablespoon cornstarch. 1 Thai chili peppers chopped. 1 sprig of spring onion chopped to garnish. Handful of sesame seeds to garnish. In large bowl, toss your lamb chops with olive oil and season thoroughly with garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, coriander, salt. Add oil to a pan on medium-high heat. Add in your lamb and cook for about 3 minutes on each side before removing from heat. In a medium bowl, mix together soy sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, ginger, garlic, brown sugar, cornstarch, water and Thai chili peppers. Heat a pan on low heat, add sauce. Cook for about 5 minutes. Add the lamb racks to the sauce. Cook on both sides until cooked through. Garnish with chopped green onion and sesame seeds. And there you have it. Your sesame lamb chops, a gourmet feast ready to impress. If you're ready to bring the restaurant experience home, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gourmet recipes. Enjoy this delicious journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!